Good morning, hermosas. Today is gonna be a good day. It is raining outside. Today is my son's turkey trot slash what is it, like Thanksgiving lunch. So we're gonna go and get some lunch. It is about 9:27 in the morning, and I already have dinner running. So I'm doing the pot roast in the pot crot, and then not the pot crot. I'm doing the pork roast with the slow cooker, and then I'm gonna do some veggies in there. I'm gonna go get ready and do my hair so I don't look like a homeless when I go to school, to the school. So we're gonna go get ready, and then we're gonna go pick up some Whataburger. So come along. Thanksgiving lunch at school, so we got them a surprise. We got them some Whataburgers, so I can't wait to show them, and I'm so excited.
Enriquez, Vargas, Lomeli, and Brian Garcia.
A bowl cut? No, look at my face. Guess what I did? What?
Oh shit. Good morning, hermosas. Welcome back to another day of my vlogs on my channel. So today is Thanksgiving week. I've just been super busy keeping the house clean, and also if you saw my last video, I've been doing a lot of my backyard DIYs, kind of like moving all the rocks out, and but it's been a slow process just because I don't know what's going on with my hand. So my hand and my arm has been hurting a lot. So I do have a referral to go see the specialist also. So I'm just not trying to overdo myself. So I'm gonna make some breakfast with the kids, and then I'm gonna do a little bit more cleaning, and then also I'm gonna do some of my backyard. The other days has been so crazy, with hail and everything, so my backyard is just covered in mud, and it's really hard to do anything out back there because it is just dirt. So I'm gonna try to do a little bit of it, but first let's feed these kids, because I know in any minute they're gonna come down here screaming at me and yelling, saying that they're hungry. So I'm gonna make something. We'll see what. Okay, so yeah, I already made some breakfast. This is Anwar's and Brian's, and this is Celine's right here. She don't really eat that much, so she eats whatever she can. So we're gonna eat breakfast, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of cleaning, and then hopefully I could do some stuff.